We've talked about writing quadratics from standard form to vertex form in the past, but we haven't done one where your leading coefficient was something other than 1. So let's look at what that would look like in this example. First thing I'm going to do is make sure that I have a blank in that constant space. So I'm going to start by adding that 17 over, because remember, we want to put a very specific number there, so we need to kick that 17 out. And now I need to make sure that my leading coefficient is a positive 1. So what I'm going to do is take that leading coefficient and divide out the negative 2. But I can't just divide the leading coefficient, I need to divide everything. And on the left, I'll just divide everything at once to keep it easy for myself. So now I've got everything that I need on the right-hand side. I just need to fill in my constant term with that value that's going to allow this to factor the way that I want it to. So the value that I need is going to be half of my linear coefficient. That's negative 3. And remember, this number is super helpful for our factoring in a second, so hold on to that one. We square it, and then we add that number to our blank, and we also add it on to the left-hand side as well. On the right, I'll just go ahead and factor now. I know that it's going to be x with that number that we saved for later, this negative 3. So x minus 3 all squared. Now the left is super messy. I need to get y alone. So I'll go ahead and work on solving for y by first subtracting my 9, and then I'll get rid of everything else. And that would be the vertex form of your quadratic. Of course, you could go one step further and talk about some transformations here. I can see the vertex, I can see there's a vertical reflection and a vertical stretch, but none of that was asked for. All we were asked to do was rewrite this in vertex form, and we did it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.